Hi guys, this is Sujata and you're watching Grammaring English Grammar for ESL students. In today's class, we are going to discuss a new word, ghosting. Do you know what is the meaning of the word ghosting and how to use this word in your sentence? Let's jump into the lesson. When someone who used to be friendly or even romantic with you suddenly cuts off all communication without explanation. I hope you might have come across this situation. They have stopped communicating with you. They are not replying to any of your messages. But they never told you that they were going to stop. This is called as ghosting. If your best friend stopped communicating with you, if she is not replying to any of your messages, it is said to be as ghosting. Hope you have enjoyed this video. If you find this video is informative, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.